Oh, hi, Forrest. Let's keep him in here because the girls are still mean to him. So we put him out there every now and then. Look at him foaming. He knows it's breakfast time. Hi, Forrest. Hi, babe. Oh, hi, honey. Yes. You ready to eat? Here, let's get that out of your eye. There you go. You ready to eat, big boy? Yes. You ready to eat? Breakfast time. And there's our babies, Faith and Dolly. You can pet them.
Let me come in to sit on. Like your mom's baby. Baby, I like your mom.
We got Jolene, Reba, and Patsy. Patsy should be having her babies any day now. Then, of course, chickens. And breakfast. And these are our bantams, bannies, whatever you want to call them. Good morning. Miss Stella eating her breakfast. Well, she already did. Our big girls had made a mud pit with all the rain. Y'all ready for breakfast? You ready for breakfast? Got Sunday in front, Betty White back there. Let me give them their food. Hi, Stella. What are you doing? Good girl. She's such a good girl. Yes. Yes. Don't you eat the goat food. Go eat your food. Good baby. Getting so big so fast. She's only 4 months old. She's a big girl. Yes. And then our boys. We got Willie and Johnny. You're going to get shocked. Get down. There's so much rain. Everything's mud pit. Don't forget about hay. Everything needs hay every morning. Hi, Tammy. Let's not get zapped by the fence like I've done multiple times. Did y'all know it rains so much here in Alabama? Crazy. Can't forget about the bunnies. Again, mud everywhere. It's insane. Speaking of bunnies, all of our females should be bred and expecting within a couple weeks. Here's our little farm cat. He comes and goes as he wants. He came with the house. Hot Tux. Here's our males. It's Rex from New Zealand. Can't forget about our little ones. They're all doing good. Our 13 chicks and 2 turkeys. Little turkey right there. few eggs already this morning.